Welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring one of the most famous airplanes in the world, the Airbus A320. Even in 2025, this aircraft continues to dominate the skies. The Airbus A320 first entered service in 1988, and it completely changed aviation with its modern fly-by-wire technology. This system replaced traditional controls with electronic signals, making flying safer, more efficient, and easier for pilots. The A320 family is not just one aircraft, it includes the A318, A319, A320, and A321. Over the years, Airbus has delivered more than 10,000 A320 family jets, making it the world's best-selling single-aisle aircraft. In terms of design, the A320 can carry around 140 to 180 passengers depending on the airline's configuration. It's perfect for short to medium-haul flights, connecting major cities around the world. In 2025, the A320neo, which stands for New Engine Option, is the most advanced version flying. With powerful and fuel-efficient engines, along with sharklet wing tips, the A320neo reduces fuel consumption by up to 20% compared to older models. This makes it both eco-friendly and cost-effective for airlines. Inside the cabin, passengers enjoy modern comfort. The interior is quiet, spacious, and fitted with LED mood lighting, larger overhead bins, and advanced air filtration systems. Airlines configure it for both economy and business class, making it suitable for all travelers. The cockpit of the A320 is also iconic. With advanced digital displays, side-stick controls, and the latest navigation systems, it remains one of the most pilot-friendly aircraft ever built. Airbus